to see you again. I met you in Minnesota a few years ago at the convention, and now I can see you again. Can you please tell the people of Texas GOP vote and Voices Action why this debate in Iowa is very important?
Well, they vote first, and a big success here, not even always a win, but just showing momentum and enthusiasm and support, catapults a campaign down the campaign trail. Disappointment, failure to do well, can end the campaign. So this is really the first major test with the straw poll and the first major test with the caucus. Now, it's a tiny little fraction of people in Iowa. This is a state of 3 million people, and only 120,000 Republicans will take part in the caucuses. In Texas, you can't get elected dog catcher in Houston with less than 120,000 votes. So it's a very small group, but they're committed activists. They take it very seriously, and they tend to be a good barometer of how the rest of the country will vote.
Well, thank you very much. And we do think that still in this debate, we're going to be missing one important person tonight in the debate. But we'll see if in the next debates we will have him too. And I'm talking about Governor Rick Perry.
I can give you some news. We just broke it exclusively. This Saturday, it won't be a signal of intentions. The governor's staff has just told me it will be a definitive statement.
Wow.
He will officially join the race. He will say that he is in. He will announce his candidacy. This is not any type of a signal. This is it. He has confirmed that Saturday he will officially be a candidate. So there you go.
That will be great. I think we have a very good group of many good candidates, and we just expect that in 2012 we can have government back into the hands of the American people. Thank you very much.
Mucho gusto.
Mucho gusto. Gracias.